Utilize natural lighting. Natural light is always the best option for capturing the true colors and ambiance of your vacation rental. Open up all the curtains and doors to let in as much light as possible. Get creative with angles. Try filming from different angles and perspectives to add visual interest to your video. Consider using a drone. If you have a larger property or unique outdoor space, consider using a drone to capture aerial footage. Choose the right software. There are many free or low-cost video editing software options available, such as iMovie, Filmora, or OpenShot. Keep it concise. Don't make your video too long. Aim for 1 to 2 minutes to keep viewers' attention. Use transitions. Add transitions between shots to create a smoother flow and enhance the overall visual appeal.